Hi, you have various Excel files with data that you want to join. I will show simple way how to do that with VLOOKUP function. Let's assume you have contact data file with fields like first name, last name, email, etc. In the same file, you have company ID number, but all your company data is in a separate company file, which is very inconvenient. Let's pull a company name into contacts file in a few simple steps. I start by copying sheet with company names to a file with contacts. For my purposes, I will name it as company data, but you can use any name you want. My lookup column is ID, and I have columns with this name in both of my sheets. This is important that lookup column is the first column or Excel will return an error. Then I create a new column, company name. Let's use VLOOKUP function to populate cells. Always remember to set last parameter to false, then Excel function will look for the exact match. In my example, now, as the last step, copy the function to the whole column and enjoy the result. As simple as that.